You generate an AI image. It looks incredible until you zoom in. Suddenly everything's blurry. Details are mushy. Skin looks like melted plastic. Every AI artist has been there, but what if instead of just making your image bigger, you could make it better, like genuinely add details that weren't even there before? That is exactly what Magnific AI does. And after using it for weeks, I need to talk about it. So here's the deal. Most upscalers just stretch your pixels. Your image gets bigger, but it doesn't actually get sharper. It is the same mush, just on a larger canvas. Magnific takes a completely different approach. It is a generative upscaler, meaning it uses AI to actually hallucinate new details into your image. Hair strands, skin pores, fabric textures, leaf veins, things that literally did not exist in the original. And it can push images up to 16 times their original resolution. We're talking about turning a tiny thumbnail into a wall-ready poster. Now, Magnific has been around since late 2023, but a lot has changed since then. Freepik acquired them in 2024, and the tool is now part of the Freepik AI suite. You can still use it standalone at Magnific AI, but the big update is Precision VI3. Purpose-built AI models designed specifically for photographs, commercial images, and archival restoration. So it is no longer just an AI art toy. It works on real photos now too, and it works well. Let me walk you through exactly how this works, because it is simpler than you'd think. You head to Magnific AI, upload any image, could be something you generated in Midjourney, a photograph from your camera roll, an old family scan, doesn't matter. And immediately you are in the editor. First thing you'll see is a prompt field. This is where Magnific gets interesting. You are not just upscaling, you are guiding the AI. You describe what you want it to enhance. So if it is a portrait, you'd tell it to focus on sharp eyes, realistic skin texture, natural lighting. That prompt steers how the AI fills in the new details. Next, you pick your mode. Creative mode goes wild. It adds a ton of invented detail, which is perfect for AI art illustrations and fantasy work. But, and this is a real but, it starts at $39 a month. That is the Pro plan, and it gives you 200 normal upscales and 100 large ones. Premium jumps to $99. There is no free tier, no refunds. And your credits don't roll over to the next month, so if you don't use them, they're gone. Now, to be fair, there are alternatives. Bloom by Topaz Labs starts at around $15 a month and gives you unlimited renders. No credit system at all. Krea is solid for general enhancement. Upscale is free and open source if you just need basic upscaling without the creative hallucination.